Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of circular entrepreneurship. The Mirae Asset Foundation, in collaboration with SVKM's NMIMS Hyderabad, presents the EPR 2025 Circular Entrepreneurship in Action Workshop. This initiative is designed to empower future-ready entrepreneurs for India's circular economy by blending ESG principles, producer responsibility, and sustainable innovation. Through a unique mix of webinars, workshops, seed funding, and campus activities, participants will gain hands-on experience and community engagement opportunities. The program runs in hybrid mode, with no registration fee, and offers seed fund assistance to help bring innovative ideas to life. Let's explore how this initiative is shaping the next generation of sustainable leaders. Mirae Asset Foundation is part of the globally renowned Mirae Asset Financial Group, headquartered in Seoul, South Korea. Since its founding in 1997, the group has been committed to a client-centric, research-driven approach, creating sustainable value for investors worldwide. With a strong presence across Asia, Europe, and the Americas, Mirae Asset offers a wide range of financial services, including asset management, investment banking, and retirement solutions. The foundation is guided by core values such as objectivity, teamwork, and social responsibility, making it a leader in sustainable finance and a perfect partner for this innovative program. SVKM's NMIMS Hyderabad stands out as a premier private university, known for its modern campus and strong industry connections. Established in 2010, NMIMS offers a diverse range of programs, including management, engineering, law, and technology. Accredited by AMBA and NAAC, the campus boasts state-of-the-art facilities, digital classrooms, and a vibrant learning environment. With a focus on holistic, globally-oriented business education, NMIMS prepares students to become industry-ready professionals, making it an ideal setting for nurturing circular economy entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship for a Circular India program is a multi-phase initiative designed to build awareness, capability, and innovation around extended producer responsibility, EPR 2025, and ESG frameworks. Aligned with CPCB regulations and India's sustainability goals, the program helps participants turn regulatory compliance into real entrepreneurial opportunities. Through structured phases, participants engage in hands-on learning, case studies, and innovation sprints, all aimed at fostering sustainable business models in key circular economy sectors. First phase kicks off with a formal launch, introducing participants to the EPR 2025 initiative and its objectives. This is followed by expert-led master talks on ESG and EPR, where regulatory expectations and circular entrepreneurship pathways are discussed in depth. The phase concludes with a pro-startup roundtable, bringing together producer responsibility organizations, startups, industry professionals, and students for interactive discussions on compliance challenges and innovation opportunities. Key outputs include improved awareness, participant handbooks, and valuable industry academia insights. In the second phase, the focus shifts to practical action. Students conduct a green campus micro-audit, assessing waste management, energy use, and material flows within the campus. This is followed by a community EPR awareness drive, where participants engage in outreach sessions, poster campaigns, and discussions on responsible consumption and waste segregation. These activities not only build sustainability awareness, but also foster a sense of community responsibility and leadership among participants. Third phase is all about innovation and problem-solving. Participants receive curated case studies and sector-specific EPR challenges, then dive into a design thinking sprint to develop creative solutions. Expert mentors guide teams through compliance clinics, helping them refine their ideas for business viability and regulatory alignment. The phase culminates in an internal EPR Shark Tank, where teams pitch their concepts to a jury for feedback and shortlisting. This stage is crucial for transforming ideas into actionable, compliance-ready business models. Shortlisted teams move forward to prototype development, supported by direct seed funding of $10,000 per team. Up to 4 teams receive structured mentoring to transform their concepts into working prototypes, with a strong emphasis on EPR compliance and ESG alignment. This phase also includes a mini-pilot, where prototypes are tested in real-world scenarios and refined based on expert feedback. The focus here is on feasibility, impact, and scalability, ensuring that the most promising ideas are ready for broader implementation. The program concludes with a live showcase, where teams present their prototypes to an expert jury for evaluation and recognition. Participants gain valuable exposure, mentorship, and the chance to convert classroom ideas into real-world solutions. Certification is provided upon successful completion, and there's no registration fee. Interested candidates can register online or on campus, making it accessible to all. For more details, visit the NMIMS Hyderabad website or contact the faculty coordinator. Join this transformative journey and help build a sustainable, circular future for India.